Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, in history you have read about many great kings. They have treated their subjects as their own children. Here is also a story about a good king, a great king who yoked the plug. एक ऐसे बादशाह की कहानी हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं जिसने खुद यहाँ पर हल चलाया है अपनी रियाया के लिए। राजा भोज was a great king who ruled over Malwa, part of Madhya Pradesh. He was a just and kind king. He was always very attentive to the problems of his subjects. Attentive, केयर करने वाले। Subjects, रियाया। He used to discuss himself and move around the kingdoms, trying to understand the real situations and took steps to improve the conditions. वो अपना भेष बदलकर रात के वक्त अपने रियाया की हालात जाना करते थे। On one such trip, the king came across a farmer who was plugging his field, but with difference. Instead of two bulls, he yoked a bull to one side and his wife to the other side. The bull and his wife were plugging the plug with great difficulty, and the king was sad, seeing their plight. So, here the plugging is a different one. How? One side is bull, another side is the wife of the farmer. This made the king very sad. ये मंजर देखकर बादशाह बहुत ही गमगीन हो गया। He called out to the farmer, "My dear man, what are you doing? Can you not see that your wife is suffering, yoked as she is with the bull? How can you treat her thus?" So, the man, who obviously could not recognize the king in his disgust, continued his work. Means the man here is the farmer. He obviously ज़ाहिरी तौर पर रिकॉग्नाइज शनाख्त करना, बादशाह को उसने पहचाना नहीं क्योंकि बादशाह भेष बदल कर थे। Then he replied, "I do not have the time to stop and explain things to you, but in any case, she is my wife and this is our farm. What I do is no concern of yours." The farmer replied this to the king. Why he replied so? Because he could not recognize the king in his disgust. The king could not give up so easily. He went along with the man, asking him for explanation. At last, the man said, the farmer said, "I have two bulls, but one died recently, and I have no money to buy another one." Recently, फिलहाल, buy, खरीदना. If I do not plug the field now, I shall not be able to growing anything, and we shall stop this year. Stop फाका करना. अगर हम खेत में अब हल नहीं चलाएंगे तो साल भर हमें फाका करना पड़ेगा। I had no choice but yoke my wife to the plug. I would have yoked myself, but she could not handle the plug by herself. What else can I do? The king was filled with pity and said, "My dear man, please come along with me. and I shall give you a bull. You do not have to pay me any money. The man replied, means the farmer replied to the king, when the king offered him for a bull. The man replied, if I leave my work now, the rains might arrive before I plant the seeds. I cannot come with you. If you really want to help me, bring the bull here. The king did not want to leave while the woman was still yoked the plug. He was a righteous king and could not bear to see such pain. So he said, let your wife go along with my man to my wife and collect the bull. Meanwhile, I shall take her place and plug your field. So, बादशाह ने यहाँ पर क्या कहा, आपकी वाइफ को मेरे आदमी के साथ मेरे वाइफ के पास भेज दो, वो वहाँ से बुल लेकर आएंगे, तब तक आपके वाइफ की जगह मैं खेत में हल चलाऊंगा. The farmer had no answer to this and he agreed मान लेना, अब farmer मान लिया. Accordingly, he unyoked his wife and yoked the king to the plug and continued his work. The woman went with the king's companion to the palace. The woman means the farmer's wife went to king's palace, where she met the queen and told her the tale. The queen was generous and kind-hearted as the king. Generous, who was always ready to help to other people. Farah dil, Raham dil. And she said, my dear lady, our bulls are well fed and strong. If you yoke them with your old bull, they will not be able to match their speed and energy. Hence, take 2 of our bulls so that you can plug your feet properly. So, the queen gave 2 bulls to farmer's wife. Thanking the queen for her generosity, the woman returned home with 2 bulls. So, the woman, the farmer's wife, thanking to the queen and returned to home with 2 bulls and told her husband that the man who had taken her place was none but the king himself. The farmer was shocked at his treatment of the king. अब फार्मर को यहाँ पे शॉक्ड हो जाता है वो, क्योंकि बादशाह से किस तरह से सलूक किया था वो उसको पता था. He apologized profusely for his behavior and asked the king to pardon him. फिर वो बादशाह से माफी मांग लेता है. Raja Bhoj, however, was happy with the farmer, for he had not turned to bad deeds, even his misfortune. He took his leave and returned to his palace, asking the man to approach him if ever he was troubled or needed anything. So, in this way, the king came to the palace. Time passed, and soon it was a time to harvest the crops. फसल की कटाई का मौसम आ गया. The farmer reaped a wonderful harvest, but was stern. What sterned him was that the place which the king had plucked yielded a harvest of real pearls instead of grains. जिस जगह पर बादशाह ने हल चलाया था, वहां पर अनाज के बदले पर्ल्स उगाए थे, मोती उगाए थे वहां पर. Being a honest man, he took the purse to the king and offered it to him, saying, the farmer offered the purse to the king and said, O great king, you helped me in my time of need, and I have reaped a bountiful harvest. I have came to you, give you your share of harvest. Saying this, he handed over the purse to the king, surprising everyone in the court. Surprise, ताज्जुब होना, हैरत अंगीज हो जाना. The king said, my dear man, these pearls have grown on your farm and they belong to you. I cannot lay any claim on them, so please take them back. The farmer replied, O king, I have reaped the harvest which I sowed, but these are the fruits of your labor, and I would not be proper of me to have them in my possession. Please accept them and use them for the good of others. तो फार्मर से कहता है कि जहां पर मैंने बीज बोया था वहां तो मेरे हिस्से की फसल आ गई, लेकिन जिस जगह पर आपने हल जोता था वहां पर ये हीरे मोती की फसल आई है, इसको ले लो और दूसरों की भलाई के काम में इसको सर्व कर दो. Then the king had no answer to this, and he humbly accepted the pearls and rewarded the farmer for his honesty. तो बादशाह ने आखिरकार आजीजी के तौर पर उससे वो पर्स ले ले और फार्मर को उसकी ईमानदारी, हॉनेस्टी, ईमानदारी पर उसको इनाम से, रिवार्ड से, अवार्ड से नवाजा. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये थी हमारी कहानी, हमारा लेसन, आवर लेसन, द ग्रेट किंग हु योक्ड द प्लग. So my dears, I hope you understand this story, this lesson. So again and again you listen the video and write down the main points in your notebooks. Okay? Allah Hafiz.